Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on DMarket. First, you'll need to set up your DMarket account and securely link it to your Steam profile. This ensures smooth transactions and item delivery. Next, deposit funds using one of the many convenient payment options available, like a credit card or cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, you can start browsing the vast selection of items. Find the skins you want and add them to your cart. Ready for purchase. Navigating DMarket's extensive inventory is simple with its powerful search filters. You can easily narrow down your options by game, item type, or even specific price ranges. Take your time to compare different listings, paying close attention to both the price and the item's condition. It's smart to check multiple sellers for the best deal. If you're not ready to buy immediately, add items to your watch list to track their prices and grab them when they drop. Once you've selected all your desired items, head over to your cart for a final review. Double-check that everything is correct before proceeding. At checkout, you'll confirm your payment method and ensure all details are accurate. DMarket uses secure protocols to protect your information during this step. After a quick confirmation, your purchase will be finalized and the items will be transferred to your DMarket inventory, ready for withdrawal. After a successful purchase, your new items will appear in your DMarket inventory. From there, you can easily withdraw them directly to your Steam account, making them available for use in-game or for further trading. Remember to manage your DMarket inventory effectively, whether you plan to hold onto items, sell them later, or use them in trades. It's all about maximizing your gaming experience. Also, for some great deals, including a link to awesome socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.